We've cleaned this line a few times. We want to see what it looks like now. This is the laundry line. So we'll see how it turned out. Oh, it came out good. Little crack on the bottom there. But it's wide open. You see the crack on the right hand side. So it's just something you're going to have to monitor. I wouldn't be worried about it for now. A little bit of scale left there, but you know, this is open up enough, I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Okay, so now we're at the 3-inch hall bath stack. We did clean this line a couple times. We want to see what it looks like. There's a crack on the bottom. It's small. You know, this looks wide open. I don't think I'd mess around with it anymore. Yeah, it's a big crack in the bottom there. So, you know, there's no urgency, but you got to keep that in mind. That there's the master bath coming in. It does hold a little bit of water here. That's where stuff settles. So you got to keep that flushed out. All right, so we cleaned this kitchen line one time. It's also 2-inch cast iron. We're going to take a look if that was enough. It's got a little bit of sediment in it, but you know, it's got cracks like the laundry, so I don't want to mess too much with it. So I don't think I'm going to worry about this line. You know, sometimes you try too hard and you end up making things worse. So I think this kitchen line is going to be okay the way it is until you decide what you're going to do with all this plumbing.